So today I'm doing something that's kind of a rare treat for the state of Virginia. So the pond that I like to fish, or reservoir that I like to fish the most, is froze over. So we're not ice fishermen. We don't have a clue what we're doing, but we got a turkey blind and we got enough gear to get some holes in the water, and we're gonna try to catch some brook trout through the ice.
Sounds good.
There's the first bite of the day. That didn't take long. Not a big fish, but I'll take any brook trout through the ice. They're such a cool looking fish, especially in the winter. We're just keeping things simple today. Light tackle with mealworms on a really small hook. With cold water like this, the fish aren't going to chase but so much. We're just trying to put the bait in front of them and be patient.
That's pretty. That's a cool feeling. Ain't it?
So we've had such a long cold spell that probably 6 or 7 inches deep. So I think that's plenty good for us. This is just a quiet little reservoir that doesn't see a lot of pressure, and there's brook trout here all the time. So you ready?
I got him. He hit it 3 or 4 times.
Days like these aren't about numbers. It's just nice being out here, the quiet, the cold, and away from everything. It's so peaceful.
Feels good.
So that's going to just about wrap this trip up. I want to thank y'all for watching, and catch y'all on the next one.